All right. Yes. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone who is watching right now. Yes, my name is Maurice, the crochet master. So now, as let's take a quick look at how we're going to do our fluffy kinky, and this is how it's going to look like. I remember by then we used to. We by these days we keep on doing boxes, but today I would like us to learn how to do using this circle braiding, and this is how we just do it. You just braid it like this. You keep on doing it this way, and I've been telling you that this is the inward method. This method, I love it so much. For those ones who have weak hairline, trust me, when you learn how to use this method, it is going to help you a lot and is going to protect your hair. So this time around we're going to use the C parting. Yes, because I've been seeing you guys using the one parting, and that is the box braiding, the box parting. But let's try to use the C and see how it is going to look like. But all in all, we need to maintain the body of the kinky, because this one I always tell you that the extension that you always use is also supposed to be equivalent to the hair that you're going to the hair that you part. So this is how you braid it, just like this. You can see how it looks. Very you try to make sure that is not that tight. Yes, this method, I love it so much. You know why? It is just because even if this hair grows, you can always lock it. You can lock the hair, and when you lock the hair, of course, you know that is the kind of a repair that you can always do when it comes to this. And then another thing that this I cannot forget about telling you is that when it comes to kinky, we know how kinky can behave. For it, when if you try to do it tight, it might behave badly to break your hair. Yes, but kinky is the best hair extension that I can always recommend it to everyone. Those ones with soft hair, and those ones with thick hair. The only thing, you just have to balance it. That is the only thing. You just have to balance it, not making it very tight. That is the only thing, because when you make it tight, trust me, it can also try to look not good. So the way I said, this is how you measure it, and I told you, so by slowly you just bring it this way, just like this. And this time around, I want us to learn very clearly. You just bring it as soft as possible. I really wonder why people keep on saying that kinky breaks their hair. I just don't believe in that. It is the plating, because I always tell you that all hairstyle can break hair. Yes, because I've witnessed a lot of people. Someone comes telling you that yes, the wig broke my hair, the crochet broke my hair, the cornrows broke my hair. So you find out that all hairstyles can do break someone's hair, but it is according to how you braid them. That is the main thing, how you braid them. The gentleness that you use while braiding this hair matters a lot. And now since this is a C parting, yes, you just have to be very careful. Yes, following your C's the way they're supposed to be. So let's see how it is going to look like. And I can't forget letting you know that we have a beauty school, and that is Hair by Clippers Beauty School. It is already open. For those ones who would want to come and join us, please, you're free to come and join us. And those ones who are very far from us, yes, we have the online courses. You go and click on that in that link in the bio. It is going to, in the description, sorry, it's going to take you through the whole process of selecting the courses that you need to learn, and yes, you will learn them. So this is how it looks, and you just braid it looking this way. You can see how amazing it looks like. And this hair, I always recommend it even to young to the kids, because I know it is really, really very nice to them. So please, as we're watching, if you have any question that you'd want to ask me, please go right in the comment section, ask me that question. And still, I always love hearing my fans telling me where they're watching my videos. I always feel good whenever they tell me that. And yes, I really love it. So you can go right in the comment section, tell me where you're watching this video from. And now, if you have any question that you would want to ask about this hairstyle, still I can be there to answer all that. Not forget, my name is Maurice, the crochet master. Yes, I opened up another channel. The link is in the description. For those ones who would want to know about different hairstyles before doing them, yeah, that channel is working for you. Yeah, you can go and subscribe it so that you can learn before doing a hairstyle. Like maybe you want to do braids, you want to do short pixels, you want to do twists. Just first know some ideas about them before you do them, maybe the duration, the maintenance, and they will always help you to do that. So for now, I'm gonna be signing out, but let's see what is going to come out from this hair. I love you so much. May the Lord keep blessing you all. Crochet Master.
A little loving, oyagala kola ka video shanane. Hey, you need some little pampering. Tomukono mukugo bumanyiche kukola. Yitakiwa crochet master, yakugu kamo viri kati master. Makeup uono genius, akukola kono nyuma. Jangu, ewa crochet master. Come on. Jangu. Together. Crochet Master. Maurice. Yeah, one time, you know. Youngster. Oh na. Yeah. One time, baby. Yeah. Hey, baby Chana, ya pretty Chana. Olabika bulungi uma baby Chana. Okoledwa kaviri kwe koyolesa. Manikiwa pedikiwa nga tabu. Basi bubiri mwato buliyo. Basi bemisono mwato jiriko. Hair by clippers we baliko. If you wanna trend in style and fashion, balloon daddy. Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. Balling it like expected. Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. Balling it like expected. Yeah. Oh na. It like expected. Yeah. With them one crochet master. A big one. Yeah. Oh na. Yeah. Hair by clippers. Oh na. Hair by clippers. Balling it like expected. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah. Oh no. Katonzi by my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking. Yeah. Oyingite wongo yaka. Maurice the crochet master did a make on you. Yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice. Body fine like wine. You look so good. Maurice the crochet master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto waza. tina chichayo engeri jonjumye okwana nembaga. You look so good, nobody do it like Maurice. Yeah, nobody do it like Maurice. Yeah, the crochet master. Nobody do it like Maurice. Yeah. Oh no 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 no, nobody do it like Maurice. The crochet master, crochet master. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah, no no, Maurice got the touch of a crochet master. No no no, he got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah yeah, a touch of a crochet master, Maurice. Yeah yeah, he got the touch of a crochet master. Crochet master, Maurice. You crochet master, Maurice. You crochet master, crochet master. No, no, no. Touch of a crochet master. He's so good. Yeah, yeah. Oyagala omulembe jangu tutambule n'omulembe. Oyagala ebiriko jangu ffe tukuwe ebiriko. Oyagala omulembe jangu tutambule n'omulembe. Oyagala ebiriko jangu ffe tukuwe ebiriko. Hair by clippers, hair by clippers, hair by clippers, hair by clippers. Confidence eri mu kikumi we give it out tetuleka you with the best to none. Anyawa kana ruleta tujja kulaga embiri twazitenga. Tuli ba big ballers, shot callers, tukola kwaba bazewulira. So high in the sky, we know how to make it glam and look so splashy. Everybody, we best, everybody.